Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? Well, I'm back again with another entry to my 65th birthday giveaway. Now this is entry number 4 and it's from the lovely Lynda Pearce. Thank you, Lynda. And this is the envelope that Lynda's, with the stickers that Lynda's sent, and there's just let me cover the postcode up. Lynda's little sticker on the back that she usually puts on mails. So yes, so thank you ever so much. This is the card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Lynda's into doing like the neurographic work. I love this. I love how you've done the raggedy edge around the black card. Love that. And then this is absolutely beautiful. I can't quite work out whether this is original or whether it's a print. I'm thinking probably it's a print that you've done of it. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Well, you're so clever and so patient. I wouldn't have patience. I actually, I've never tried it, but I have Procreate on my iPad. I thought, oh, well, I might enjoy doing that sort of thing better on the iPad than actually real. So I think I've still got it, but it's not finished. I'm like, oh my God, I was losing the will, I really was. So how you ladies do this, I don't know. As you've probably heard me say before, I've always thought I was a person with a lot of patience, but as time goes on, I realise that maybe not. Not for some things anyway. But that is beautiful, Lynda. Thank you ever so much. Love it. And then this is the beautiful card. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much. And Lynda, she commented on a post of mine on Instagram the other day, and she said, oh, I can't remember exactly what it was you said, but it was something humorous because I've recently sent an ATC for a swap, sent it to Andrea Turner, and it was similar. Mine wasn't as nice as this because I didn't give mine arms and little legs, but it was a little cat. So your comment did make me chuckle. I'm like, yes. So what have we got? We've got pieces of beautiful well, they're like a bit like textured paper with gold on. I don't know. Have you done that? Or because I know you can buy papers like this, because I've got some somewhere. Where that somewhere is, I do not know. But so I don't know quite whether Lynda has done these little doodles or whether it was like that. But either way, it's beautiful. So we've got like the burnt orange and turquoise, then like a teal green there, bits of gold. Oh, 65. Yeah. A little kitty, look. She's poking her tongue out. How rude. That is just brilliant, Lynda. I love it. Lovely little crown, glossy accents on the eyes, and a little heart, look. Another strip of paper down there. And look at her pretty little dress. Oh, she's so cute. I love it. And then she's gone round the edge with, oh, silver on two sides and gold. Either paint or, it's not embossing powder, paint I would think it is. Or it could be the opal polishes. I do not know. But that is fantastic, Lynda. I love it so much. Love, love, love it. So yes, that is entry number 4. If you don't know Lynda, she doesn't do videos, but she is on Instagram. Another very, very supportive lady. So I will leave the link to Lynda's Instagram where you pop across and show her some love. Because she's another absolutely amazing crafter, artist. She does some fantastic work. So thank you ever so much again, Lynda. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.